Hi, this is Raksil and this is Project Awaken OS v2.0 Kepler Android 12. This is the initial Android 12 build. Okay, so before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please go and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright, now let's go and flash this custom ROM. Now let's go to wipe and wipe the partition Dalvik cache system vendor data, and then swipe to wipe. Okay, now we need Android 11 firmware for this ROM. Okay, now let's go and install the ROM Awaken 2.0. Select and swipe to install. Okay, it got installed. Now I will install DFE, disable force encryption. Right, this is for decrypted users. If you are encrypted, then you can go to wipe and format your data and then reboot your phone. Okay, we can see the boot animation of Project Awaken. Right, so we get the setup process here, and